What's up, my friends? Today I'm going to show you how you can farm for the ZkSync Era Airdrop. It's going to cost you around $10 to $15 and will probably take less than 10 minutes. First, you want to add the ZkSync Era Mainnet to your MetaMask. For this, you just visit chainlist.org, search for ZkSync Era, click this button, and it will add the network to your MetaMask. Next, we need to bridge some money from the Ethereum mainnet to the ZkSync blockchain. Next, we're going to interact with some protocols. First, we need to interact with ZkSync Swap. This is right now the protocol on ZkSync with the highest total value lock. So it's probably a good idea to do some interaction with this protocol. I personally I bought some OT. This is a coin on the ZkSync Era network. I don't know, I just bought it because I thought it was interesting. You don't have to do it. You can also buy some USDC. And again, I also bought a tiny amount of OT because, you know, I'm just having some tiny funds with this network. Not that I have a huge amount of money, but we're getting there, my friends. We're getting there. So anyways, you just swap some Ethereum for USDC or anything, and then you want to create a new pool. So just click on new position and you basically add your tokens to the pool. Next is zksgemswap.online. You just click on swap. Again, here I also bought the native token. Again, I bought just a tiny bit because I like to have a tiny amount of exposure to these tokens, and just for me to have that on my radar to see what happens with this ecosystem. Swap a tiny amount of this token. You can also again use USDC or whatever. And then you want again to deposit your tokens in a pool, right? You can make a pool with USDC and Ethereum. For I personally pulled the XGEM token with some Ethereum. Oh no, I only did the single-sided ZKSync because it has like 1000% APR. I thought it's a good idea. I just did it to have some interaction. Next protocol is swap.zkSync.spacefinance.io. Again, the same deal, just swap some tokens and swap some Ethereum for USDC or whatever, and then put it in the liquidity pool. I personally also bought Space here. I wanted it for some XSpace, which is kind of liquid staking derivative, and protocol natively liquid staking derivative, and you can then stake this XSpace token in the protocol, right? Next up is Mute, and this is also the last protocol that we're going to look at. You can also, the same thing, buy any token. I also bought some Mute, and then I just put it in a liquidity pool. I think I even have some USDC, Ethereum. You see, I'm doing these things. I try to do them regularly. It's with these airdrops, it's often a good idea to have as many interactions, repeat these steps, come back to the video, watch it again, repeat the steps. And it's a good idea to do it in multiple different months. For Arbitrum, you had, there was a point where you had to interact with the Arbitrum chains in like 6 different months, right? So it's a good idea to come back and have some interact with this. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I could help you out with this video. If you have any suggestions for another video, just write me a comment in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye bye.